Thank you. Thank you. Huh. What up? Huh. How you doing? Huh. Holla. Man, I try my hip-hop moves these days. Forgive me, sir, I no wear suits today.
For Wednesday.
For Wednesday. No, now middle of the week.
Okay.
You understand? So we prepare for Friday.
Show
in
front.
Anticipation.
For show front.
For, you know, show for the front and every, you understand? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Late Night Show. Yeah, we love you. Huh. All right, so as it be like this now, that guy na DJ Easy Beat, and of course I be Ogbolor. You know how they do. Yeah. I love you too. I love you too. Your wings not gonna work. Your wings not gonna work. Forget. Anyway, how na day? How everybody take the easy? We need to do that our pose again. So we just strike the pose now.
We'll strike on my way.
So we'll strike the pose. Understand?
So
after the count of 3, understand? So ladies and gentlemen, the pose from DJ Easy Beat and of course Ogbolor. 1, 2, 3, go. You know, see, rubbish can sweet, eh? It is sweet, eh? They are.
For your man,
all right. Ladies and gentlemen, as it be like this now, today on top of the show, we get 2 very wonderful people in the building. One of them, one model girl like this, very, very beautiful somebody on top of the show. And of course, the very funny. No worries, but I don't know the whole. No, we're not a pop-up. Yeah, everyone on the
I never blew.
Yeah?
And I never blew.
Okay, so Mr. Patrick, they're in the building, and of course, you go follow us there on top every. Okay, so don't go anywhere. The show go make too much brain today. So just sit back, relax, tell and say the whole thing don't start, and of course, the whole crew there to make sure your night they very, 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 very on point. All right, so Easy Beat, can I come out? We'll come back now of the cocoa of the day, not go anywhere. Now, welcome back. Yes, now still the late night show, and of course, the show we sit there on top of the whole level like this. Quickly, we could just based on say we get some kind of very, very beautiful people inside the house. We could just keep all the every cocoa and everything, you know, quickly. I get in the building, one very beautiful queen. And she don't join us on top of the show today. We just talk about her reign as the queen where she be, her winning the competition where she go for, and of course her plans for the future and every. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, I get Miss Global Peace Nigeria 2015. Her name Kiki Olamide Aroguma. Welcome, Queen. Your Highness. No, don't start. Let me stop. Anytime stop. Okay. You are welcome. Look your hand. I hope I never put hole for the hand, though.
No.
Just be okay. Anytime a woman come to the show, they do anyhow. You understand? It's natural thing. Queen, you are welcome. You are welcome.
Thank you.
So, Miss Global Peace Nigeria 2015. What is the whole competition there about?
Okay, the office of the Global Peace.
Okay.
Global Peace Nigeria. It represents peace,
Okay.
unity,
Okay.
you know, peaceful coexistence.
Okay.
So now waiting the office represent with that.
Okay, so they all spark different models. You can also do compete on top of the whole thing to find out who can win too.
Yes.
So like how many all of them be where you can't win for the whole thing like this?
Reach like 30.
Like 30. So for the full 30, now you just can't win poor. Okay. Very wonderful. As a queen where she be like this. That means you could not really you could not scatter out the head of the judges then with different abilities the way you feel show. But aside that particular one now you don't win for this Miss Global Peace Nigeria 2015, and now so for this one until next year now you go be queen, abi?
Till next year.
Till next year. Now the first of its kind be this, abi? Before now they do different
no,
ones.
not the first of its kind.
Now the first, so now you be the first queen.
Yes.
The first queen for Miss Global Peace Nigeria. It's my honor to have the first queen ever of the whole thing on top of the show like this. And one more time, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Now the future. Waiting be because we know say they will ask a question, say, Queen, no, waiting I go do for the hair. So waiting be your own carry work inside the whole thing. Now what you go do for as your reign go continue.
You know, say as my reign, as this year now, only 1 year I get.
Okay.
And that 1 year I want to use them very well. Take touch lives. You know, I want to inspire other people, other girls.
Okay.
You know, say people go just looking like role model. So you have to you go do things wey be say they go serve, they go want say, ah, okay, oh, me say won't be like this queen, or you know, I want to be like, I want to. So just touch lives.
Okay, basically touch lives.
Yeah.
But which you say you just want to look person, you just stand for your front, you just touch am like this.
I dey do am through my. I dey do am.
You say one way or the other, you dey touch a life.
I dey do am through my project.
Through your project.
I get many projects.
So if you tell us one or two of the projects we do on ground.
The first one are the empowerment program.
Okay.
If say people go come, we go teach them how to sew.
Okay.
They go learn how to do makeup, tie gele, make fascinators and all that.
Okay. All right. So that means to learn handwork and different things will fit make them, become better people for inside society. All right. But aside that particular one now, you don't win now and every you know, say most people always talk say, "Shey, this you're winning now. Tell me, what will be the most beautiful part about being a queen where you don't collect so?"
Well, the most beautiful part. People if you go anywhere now, people go on.
They go on farms
say, okay, myself no, I'm going to take picture.
Okay.
That's kind of thing.
All down at the full package now. You not get how you want it. But your management for your call early morning. So yeah, come they go to so and so place.
That one they happen.
That one they happen. Okay. So we don't talk about the good side. Which other part they tire you for the whole thing sometimes?
Hey. If you come off hours like 6 o'clock for morning, you enter maybe 2 a.m.
Hey! People
and then the next day, they will tell you, say you get events where you go.
Repeat the same thing again.
So all those ones,
But a responsibility. Any which way, nothing good they come too easy like that. You must still take and do the kind of hustle on top of the whole thing. All right, Ola, make I just put them in a short form like that. Ola. Also, but rounding up now, what do you want to tell the younger ladies then when they watch you like this, won't go into modeling? Because some people also look at models as people that when not to they try, So yes, they get the aspect they talk saying, I beg, I don't want to make my picking them go do modeling and all those things. So luckily, some other models that we don't go forward, don't they change that whole thing for parents, their head. You understand? So when you go tell any parents where they outside there where they watch, and of course after that one you go come talk to the younger girls them, we still want chook leg inside this whole level.
Say this modeling thing, picking will go bad. Picking will go good.
No matter the thing.
Now the upbringing, now it matter. But waiting day inside modeling say you go get exposure.
Okay.
You go now as you go present yourself for some place.
Okay.
You understand what they talk?
Yeah.
So nothing, even if parents say, I get concerned about this thing, these children, if they, be like that, now I'll bring the way you give them from time, now you go matter. So modeling, no bad as people, they talk and say, it's actually fun. All right,
Ola, thank you very much for top of the whole thing. But right now, aside from say this modeling thing where they do, how far was school?
I still did National Open.
Okay. That means education still day on ground because we know you take that until joke at all.
No,
you understand?
No.
So
Now be the cocoa.
Because last when you want to present yourself for outside, now said they talk for the whole thing. You understand? But aside modeling presently and aside schooling, any other thing where you do on ground?
I dey design.
Okay.
Person say, okay, this could go fit to make I just design.
Now, one ask just now, say they design. Different designers, some they design coffee. So just if you don't tell us, so I like as fashion design.
Fashion design.
Okay. All right, but I don't say this level where you did now, different men go do your matter. Oh, they say Queen Ola.
Sit down on top of your matter.
You're there on top of your issue. You understand? But anyway, how you don't think they manage the men and their attention so far?
Even if I not be queen self,
yes, then they come. Hey, hot girl like this.
Everybody just men. I suppose they don't say you be woman, then go pursue you.
No be our fault. No, first give an apple chop.
So that one a normal thing.
Now we know.
So that one a normal thing. Maybe say you go happen. Now must. But now you as a queen go now as you go take. Okay, say you're my biggest fan. No, me say respect you as my fan. No, don't worry, see my manager. That one done.
Hey, manager, we don't see what do tire. You say so. What can we do for you? Say actually, I like that you're queen. And Oga, pack. I want to give her one regional spot. Oga, come. He never do that kind of level because he just sets you up. What kind. I don't say manager no go fit. No be bad guy. Anyway, Ola, thank you very much for joining us on top of the show. Any other information you want to make people know about you or your reign and everything?
Yeah, I want to tell them say this reign now, this my reign now. Say I go like go all these IDP camps.
Okay.
You know, say some day Kaduna,
Yes.
some day Abuja.
Yes.
And as they go, we say one, if you not just go there, go there smile, they take picture. They go expect say make yourself.
Carry something, come.
So if you get sponsors, like people go just say, okay, you dey go this kind of place.
Yes.
Now textbooks won't give you now exercise books or anything.
Now
If you
clothes, anything. Okay, so how they'll take reach you now? Because I know say maybe on Twitter or social media or maybe email, they wish they will just reach you. Say, okay, see you want support this your waka like this. How they will reach you?
And my Instagram account is at Kiki_Guma.
Okay.
So
at Kiki_Guma.
Guma, just Guma,
G-U-M-A.
Yeah. So that one are direct. I feel just they.
Okay. They feel they relate for that side. All right. At Kiki_Guma.
Yes.
Okay. So another year, say if you now support this particular queen, we follow us on top of the show like this. When I just go reach them at Kiki_Guma. Now fit follow her, do the whole thing. As it be like this because modeling issue for this country is a very, very big business and at the same time a big responsibility. And of course she don't talk, she won't come outside, she can't do the best what she fit do in the next 1 year. Take help those ones we need help for inside the country. So one more time, Ola, thank you very much for you join us on the show. We wish you well with your reign.
Thank you.
You go teach us how to take the wave. How to take the wave. Wow. It be like when they share cutlass. You know those what they say? He said, Thank you very much for joining us on top of the show. All right. So we will come back now and then we'll go enter with our bros in the building. No go anywhere. We'll continue the whole thing. If you don't just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.